Okay, if you're looking to really master the entire ecosystem of business marketing, you are absolutely in the right place. Think of this as your ultimate cheat sheet for understanding exactly how organizations drive growth. Whether you're grinding through an MBA, gearing up for some competitive exams, or honestly, just fascinated by how businesses actually win us over, we're going to break down all the essentials from our source material into one clear, highly visual journey. Let's dive in.
Right out of the gate, we've got to address a major misconception here. When most people hear the word marketing, they immediately picture, giant billboards or Super Bowl commercials. But is marketing just advertising? The short answer is absolutely not. Actually, marketing is a really complex blend of human psychology, deep-level strategy, and digital innovation. Advertising? Well, that's literally just one tiny piece of a much, much larger puzzle. So here is the map for our playbook today. 1. The core of marketing. 2. Decoding the market environment. 3. Mastering the marketing mix. 4. The digital marketing shift. And 5. Future trends and challenges.
Look, every successful strategy has to start with a rock-solid understanding of what marketing actually is. By definition, business marketing is the overarching processes and concepts that organizations use to understand, reach, and deliver value to customers to drive business success and growth. Notice the heavy emphasis on delivering value there. It really isn't just about extracting money from a buyer. It's the vital engine that connects an organization's internal goals with actual sustainable business growth.
And marketing isn't static. It's evolved dramatically over the years. We're talking from the early 1900s, when companies pretty much just focused on manufacturing and shoving goods out the door, into this nuanced strategic imperative we see today. You can't just build a great product anymore, right? You have to conceptualize how it fits into the customer's entire life. Today, the main objectives and the sheer importance of marketing revolve entirely around its role in driving long-term business success.
Think of a business as a ship on the ocean. Internally, we've got the microenvironments. These are the factors a business can closely monitor and, somewhat control. Things like employees, suppliers, and direct competitors. But externally, that's where we hit the macro environments. These are the massive, totally uncontrollable forces. Think economic shifts, cultural changes, new laws, global events, the whole shebang. A successful marketing strategy absolutely requires navigating both the controllable ship and the uncontrollable weather.
So how exactly do they navigate all of that? Well, it comes down to a specific three-step process. 1. Marketing research. 2. Consumer behavior. And 3. The buying decision process. Have you ever stopped to wonder how your favorite coffee shop knew to offer that exact seasonal drink you bought this morning? It wasn't a lucky guess. They actively researched the market. They studied your behavior, and they figured out the exact steps you take when deciding to buy a coffee. It's wild, but it works.
Once all that intel is gathered, businesses execute another clear process. First up, market segmentation. This divides that broad ocean of consumers into highly specific groups. Then, they select a precise target market to zero in on. And finally, market positioning. Think about it. When you picture a hyper-safe family car, I bet a very specific brand just popped into your head instantly, right? That is successful positioning, and it's born directly out of expert environmental decoding.
The 4 Ps. This is basically the legendary master framework of business marketing. To survive, companies have got to deploy these 4 strategic pillars perfectly. First up, the product, managing its life cycle, branding, and packaging. Second, the price, utilizing pricing strategies that actually match the perceived value. Third, the place, figuring out the distribution channels to get the product to the buyer as efficiently as possible. And fourth, promotion, which wraps in advertising, PR, and sales. And here's the kicker. These aren't just isolated decisions. They completely interlock. Like a luxury product needs premium packaging, a premium price, exclusive placement, and high-end promotion to actually work.
Let's zoom in specifically on that promotion pillar for a second. Because to get their message in front of buyers, companies use a really diverse tactical mix. They rely on advertising for massive reach, public relations to manage the reputation, personal selling, usually for high-ticket items like enterprise software, and sales promotion, like that 20% off coupon you get in the mail to drive immediate action. Marketing has taken an absolutely incredible leap over the last few decades. We have completely moved from traditional promotion, classic TV ads, old-school PR, and door-to-door sales, right into the modern digital era. Today, businesses are battling it out in search engine optimization just to be the first result on Google, while fully leveraging social media, influencers, and hyper-targeted mobile data. This modern arsenal is fast-paced, it's global, and most importantly, it's driven by hard data rather than guesswork. These cutting-edge heady hitters are completely revolutionizing how organizations reach us. Content marketing provides upfront value, like through blogs and videos, just to earn our trust. Email and mobile marketing, they literally put brands directly in our pockets. And artificial intelligence, wow. AI in marketing is completely changing the game. It automates complex data analysis and actually personalizes content for every single individual user in real time. It is a total game changer.
And because of all this data, modern marketing isn't just about scoring a quick one-off sale anymore. The focus has shifted massively toward relationship marketing and customer relationship management, or CRM. Actually, there's a well-known industry rule of thumb that it can cost up to 5 times as much to attract a brand new customer than to just keep an existing one. That is exactly why brands fight so incredibly hard for your lifelong loyalty.
Today's marketing strategists are facing some massive real-world obstacles. They have to navigate highly complex global marketing boundaries across entirely different cultures and laws. Plus, they're constantly confronting ethical issues, like, for instance, exactly how much of your personal data they should legally be allowed to track. And on top of that, there is a huge push towards sustainable marketing because consumers are increasingly demanding that businesses operate in ways that actually protect the environment and society.
So to truly understand how to overcome these challenges, strategists look directly at real-world benchmarks. By studying the case studies of absolute global giants like Apple, Coca-Cola, Amazon, and Toyota, we can see exactly how they adapt their marketing mix, implement digital innovation, and navigate those global hurdles. Honestly, looking at what the biggest players do is exactly how businesses of all sizes learn what it takes to survive and thrive.
Well, that brings us to the summary of our core concepts and the key takeaways from the playbook. We've decoded the environment, we've mastered the 4 Ps, and we've explored the digital shift and future trends in marketing. By understanding these takeaways, you now hold the foundational blueprint for how top-tier organizations actually drive growth, and you can clearly see the future direction of this entire profession.
So I want to leave you with this. As marketing continues to evolve at lightning speed, how will businesses balance incredible AI innovation with the soaring consumer demand for highly ethical, sustainable practices? The next generation of successful marketers will be the ones who figure out that answer. Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one.